Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. And do not forget to give your feedback and comments below.
Archisketch, a new way to digitally design a room using your smartphone. To use Archisketch, attach the Archisketch device to your smartphone and mark each corner of the room with the laser to measure the distance. Then Archisketch will create a 3D model of your room. Also, the Archisketch device works great as a measuring tape. Archisketch lets you edit your floor plan, adjust furniture, wallpaper, and fixtures, and order furniture right from the connected website. You can also view the design room using a VR headset to digitalize and recreate your space in 3D. Design your home with Archisketch.